LSS ako sa Inspirating in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Mahirap ang lamigin na walang jacket. Gawa ng lyrics. I'm so bright. Let's cut this shit. Ay, sorry po, my mouth. Sana ba yung medicine cutter ko? What? Medicine cutter. Natakpan lang dyan. Hindi ko na alam saan ko nilang. Tingin ko na lang. Tcharan! This is by 4. Ito kinuha ko sa reunion nila mama. Kasi akala nila may maintenance si mama eh. Healthy living si mama ko. Sila healthy living. Ay! Pasmado talaga yung bibig ko. Ganito ang itsura niya sis pag 1/4 na siya. So, wala yung aking medicine cutter. I don't know where did I put it. I lost it. Tingin ko na lang sa gitna. Baka masira naman. Parang kapag nagbe-break ng naghiwalay kayo gano'n. Char! Naghiwalay yung diba, pag communion tas skyflakes yung gagamitin. Kasi walang Ostra girl. Hindi ka nakabili sa PBTS. Ay, bakit PBTS? Ano nang pangalan ng bookstore? Hindi ko na matanda. Basta ganun. Oh, yan na. Hindi ko na siya 1/2. Noong 2022, ganito yung medication ko. 1/2. And then, yung antidepressants ko, yung Esivex. 3 times a day. Ganun ako kalala. Kasi yung diagnosis sa akin, severe depression and anxiety with psychotic symptoms and suicidal tendencies. Ngayon naman, double depression, unibipolar personality disorder. Yun yung spectrum. So, pag hindi ako naagapan, magiging bipolar siya. Magiging Antikrista II ako. Joke lang, love you. I don't know if you guys are knowledgeable that this antipsychotic is 200 milligrams. So, if you cut it into 4s, shit, mahina ko sa 50 milligrams na. So, ibig sabihin, 100 milligram yung ininom ko noon. Kaya palang tapang. Grabe, groggy ako nun. Sobra. It's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Bakit ka lalamigin? My heat wave. Ayun. Lolo. Shinare ko lang sa inyo itong pag prepare ng aking meds. Because, wala. I don't have siblings to share it with. And I don't have a boyfriend. My best friends are in Baguio. I'm here in Ilocos. I do have friends here, but they're busy. Just like me, you know. We do stuffs. Adult shit. Ayaw mag-close!